Please like and subscribe.
Alright guys, maato kong Emden. Anak ko to sa train station. Kaya alas 5:53 mo via akong train. So time check 5:24. Alright guys, ito po ako guys. So ayun na po gano spoon ko nag-wait na sa si Mateo, labi na si Mateo. Alright, here's the train station. Have a safe trip, Maki. See you soon, Mateo and Emilio, Jirel and Andre. Bye bye, see you soon.
Years later.
Der nächste Halt unseres Zuges wird dann Emden sein gegen 19:41 Zeit.
Emden na.
Durchkehre werde ich mich noch schlau machen, werde Sie informieren. Die Verzögerung aktuell etwa 4 Minuten.
Approaching Emden.
Wanna clear a bottle of Cabernet. Wanna stay home, not even drink. Wanna get out of my own head. Wanna lay down, overthink. I wanna cry every tear I got. Put on a dress, be a stranger strain. Lock up this heart of mine. Wanna wear it on my sleeve. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go. Find someone new. And I wish it wasn't good. My mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. Wanna throw away your vanity. Wanna wear it to sleep tonight. Wanna wipe our slate clean. Wanna pick this thing up right where we left off. Wanna block your number, take one last time, make it enough. Wish I was one or the other. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go. Find someone new. And I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true.
Welcome to Emden.
If it's black, it's
Links, wenn Sie bitten, hier nicht die
white,
Türen zu rauchen und die Türen damit offen zu halten. Da wir die Verspätung einfahren wollen, größtenteils auch wegen der Fähre in Norddeich. Der Westfeld fahren die Zeit verquatschen und wir ganz schnell hier wieder zügig abfahren werden. Im Hauptbahnhof in Kürze der Ausstieg.
Welcome to Emden.
Wanna clear a bottle of Cabernet. Wanna stay home, not even drink. Wanna get out of
Okay,
my
abot
own
na.
head. Wanna lay down, overthink.
Alright.
I wanna
So, abot na jud ko sa Emden. Thank you,
Wow.
Doy. Yeah. See you soon, Mateo and Emilio. Kabalo na sila ba? Ay mo na ko.
Kevin Garden.
Nag-usa ka dito, Doy.
Ay, moderate yung mereka mo, no? Ay, muna ako
Mm.
mereka ko na, no? Tubangan
Ikaw nila sa bag, Roy.
Ay, kasi
Ikaw nila sa bag.
ako rin talaga.
Welcome back, Emden. Ano Emden? Mingaw. Mingaw. Ako kay makahoy. Risk ko kay makahoy dyan, no? Mga dahon, babag uloy no, wala pa ilaya. Daw-dahon nga yan. Aldi. Asa kami ta kay parkpats, oy?
Magatis tubangan.
Okay, ang Aldi, oh. Parang balay nila, Aldi. Coming to work.
Magatis tubangan. Para sa
Kanto. Yeah. Yeah. Para kanto. Ining balay. Resulta sana siya. Alright. Welcome back. And then,
Yeah, it's in toe. Yeah, it's in to the name. Here is the next name. Here is
muna ilang ilupad-lupad. Kay Mateo pula. Kay Mateo blue niya. Kay Konkon kay red. Uy! Nag-cross man. Do you like it?
yeah. What you?
Wow.
So cool, yeah. Look where's OG. Look where's OG. Look, here is OG. Okay. Okay.
Hey, say hello to Tita. Hi, Tita.
There.
Hey, Tita Rose. Say hi to Tita Rose. Say hi, Tita Rose. Hi. Say, I love you.
I love you.
I love you, Tita Rose. Say it. Come on. Come here with me. Here.
Look where's
Say
Celeste.
it. I love you, Tita Rose. Here.
I love you, Tita Rose. And oh yeah, look where is Celeste way. Here is Celeste way. Here is Celeste way. OG.
Wala akong ipalit sa ila. Tag
You want to
5 euro ang isa.
Celeste way?
Ipalit ko mangga. 7 euro di. Tapos pag-abot yung kaon na yun, oy. Hindi rin tabang pong kaon. Di, dayon na. Pa si Jerel ini. Sunod daw, magdala daw kung kuan. Bayaran daw niya. Padala daw siya 2 ka kilo. Tag 9.99 man ang kilo. 7 to akong gibayaran nila, Mateo. Yan, napot sila yung bulang mo. Ilabay-labay yan, budikit gani. Tapos yung gipalitan na enjoy po sila.
Look at OG lah.
So now, say bye-bye, Tita Rose.
Bye bye, Tita Rose. Bye bye, Tita Rose. Wow!
Is that your super pie?
Red, look who's my super face.
Like the Superman? Or Spider-Man?
Look who's my super face.
Wow,
Look who's my super face.
you strong. Wow, God.
Look who's my super
You look like you are doing
Mama, look who's my super face. Woo!
superpower.
Look who's my super face.
Oh, like Spider-Man?
Look who's my super face.
Oh, grabe mo kirig. Kakita ko nga po, oy.
Look who's my and I got fighting. Like not fight. But look who's my super face. The coconut. You don't have to get headshot.
Wow, grabe, oy. Grabe, oy. 65. And you?
65.
5?
I am 5 only. I am 5 now.
Yeah.
Do you know? Kuya's school was big. Kuya's school. When I am 6-year-old, then I am gonna go on Kuya's school. As my brother's school. My brother's
What you go inside in Kuya's room, yeah? Yeah. Hi guys, I am now here in Emden. Magluluto lang lang. So time check, ano na, 1:30. Hindi ko nagluto. Kasi late na rin sila nag-breakfast, mga 10 na yata yun. So ngayon, magluto ako ng munggos. Sinabuang munggos tapos with manok. Wala kasing karne dito na baboy. Okay nga alin, manok. Mas maganda pa. Saka yung breast, yung ano, walang taba. And then, ito nga guys, as you can see. Yan po. Binita ko na po yung lamas. garlic, onions, tomato, tapos with ginger. So now, lagay ko itong chicken. Breast chicken. Dali, i-ano ko.
You take a paper and start making me
Ito. Here,
start with major
breast chicken yan.
butter
Okay.
and of course the heart.
Lagyan natin ng cream. Huh? Yeah, it's like Celtic, yeah? You eat rice with... So what do you want to eat? Banana? You got? I don't know. Yeah, take it out. Show me. What is that? Okay. You get at the top. Get the top is open. That one, oh. Can you open that? You close the bottom. But later you eat rice with mungo siya. Ayan. Nakutom na daw siya. Ano na kasi kinain na kanina kay Rock cereal lang. Ayan. Kasi pwede ko na ilagay itong carrots. Lagi itong bell pepper. Bell pepper. Okay, lagyan ito. Okay, so mayroong chicken fruit seed. Sige, lagyan ko na isa. Lagyan ko ng black pepper na pinagkakita. Yeah. Huh? But you cannot always eat yogurt. Give a moment, yeah? You have to wait, okay? Guys, hindi mo sila yung buko sa buko. Sige, ito na sige. Sumpon. Ayan po guys. Malapit na naluto ang aking munggo. Mas escogieran di carrots. Yung carrot version white. Ito ang carrots ng munggo ito ba? Okay na. Anong pansin na guys?
I'm very, very, very excited.
Okay, time to eat now, boys. Yan. This is yummy. Good for the tummy. Ayun ko yung mga apo ko. Kasi, lalo na si Mateo, ang kunkun, gutom na daw siya. Okay, alright, it's alright. Tapos, umawil po siya, bali suhay siya. Okay? Yeah, it's yummy. Umawil, no pressure. But it's so hot, yeah? Right? It's so hungry. Oh, it's yummy. Yeah, this is mungo beans with green beans and then carrots. And then onions, ginger, garlic, tomato, and chicken cubes. So, what can you say to Mama?
Thank you.
Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Mateo, you also come here. Yeah. What? How do you like it? No, I don't play cell phone. Eat first. Come on. Eat properly. I don't like that you play cell phone. Come on, Mateo, come to the side. What about you? You eat that all, yeah? Okay, what can you say to Mama? Huh? Then what about you? Okay. Happy eating! I'll send this to your papa and mama. Yeah? Okay? Okay. Alright. Okay pa sa alright. Guys, Evo, kain tayo ng burros.
What is pineapple so
Mga bata, pinakain ko na.
tell me what is the weather on pineapple?
Sarap.
Look what is the weather on Pineapple City. Look what is gonna happen on Pineapple City.
What happened?
That is gonna happen on Pineapple City.
70 degrees Celsius. And a little bit cloudy. Because I think there is a coming typhoon in the Philippines.
What? What?
Typhoon.
Tycoon?
Yeah, typhoon coming in the Philippines.
Wait, what does that mean? Show me with your hand.
Typhoon, this means the wind, big wind come on rain. It's typhoon.
Big wind.
Big rain, big wind, or then only they can destroy houses on trees. That's why during typhoon, the people, especially the children, have to stay at home. Okay?
Yes. And Muma, until last time, it was actually getting
The thunderstorm.
a blowing thunderstorm.
Yeah.
Blowing.
Blowing is a big. That is a huge thunderstorm.
But it is a blowing. It is blowing.
Mm-hmm. Okay, thank you for
What
watching.
is the weather on the Philippines?
Tira mo po.
I sleep, it's hard to find me if you really want to. Turns past that takes